Hi, I'm Manish Madan, Managing Director, Regal Kitchen Foods. Hare Krishna, Janmashtami, Krishna's birth. Krishna's birth, Janmashtami, it's very important festival in Hindu religion. In my childhood days, we have always cherished those moments when there was always Janmashtami coming up, because we used to be taken by our parents to see different places were lighted up with we call them jhankiyas. So jhankis, it's like you know a kind of a celebration throughout India. So we used to hop from one temple to the other temple, seeing all different temples, how they have displayed Krishna's birthday, in different forms. So that was the memories I am carrying of Janmashtami, during my childhood. But as I grew up, so after doing my my MBA program, voluntary program, and once I was doing my volunteer training program from one of my very special teacher, Shri Rajesh Jagasia ji. So while I was getting trained in a Art of Living volunteer training program, so he taught me a lesson. So there was a beautiful game we were playing. So that game was about, it's in India it is called Langdi Tang. So Langdi Tang means, you have to run on your one leg and touch the other place and come back. So we were very enthusiastically playing that game. And there were few people were stumbling. They couldn't, run with their one leg. And thereby, he gave a beautiful lesson to us. So what was the lesson? So lesson was that, and that day was Janmashtami. So he gave a beautiful lesson, and that actually created great impact in my life. The lesson was, see, Shri Krishna always stand with his, Murli. So Murli is his flute. So when he stands and plays his flute, he stands with crossed legs. Crossed legs like this with a flute in his hand. And he says, why Krishna used to stand like, in a crossed legs. So he told us, so Rajesh Jagasia ji told us that, so there are two lives we need to play. There are two roles rather we need to play in this life. One is the material life and one is the spiritual life. Without spiritual life, material becomes immaterial. So Krishna has the mastery of being spiritual and also living his material life to the fullest. So he said, so if you want to live your material life to the fullest, you need a leg of a spirituality in it. Because in material life, we have to deal with people, we have to be with people, and we have to be sensitive towards them. This realization can only come when you understand spirituality. When you understand the humane in you, So that really impacted. So that impacted my life throughout. That lesson was so well explained by Rajesh ji that time, and I always try to implement that in my life by being spiritual, and also managing to grow this business. So if you practice that thing in your life and read Bhagavad Gita or listen to Bhagavad Gita, listen to your gurus who can explain you about Bhagavad Gita, Krishna's knowledge. So that really impacted my life. So I feel really grateful to my Guru Sri Ravi Shankar ji and my wonderful teacher Sri Rajesh Jagasia ji for sharing these kind of knowledge to me and impacting my life and to giving me understanding about spirituality, importance of spirituality in this material life. Because material life always lead to dissatisfaction. Only if you being spiritual, you understand that there has to be a satisfaction before you attain something. When you attain some material. I think that was a beautiful lesson, and this is what I wanted to share today in Janmashtami. I'm really grateful to all my teachers, all my gurus, especially Sri Ravi Shankar ji, for showing me a great path to spirituality, making me more close to Krishna, the complete consciousness. So Krishna resonates the complete consciousness. Because in our Vedas, it is written, Krishna has lived both life with complete mastery in it. So this is what, as a human being, we should really aspire to, and especially in this business community, we look for, we should be compassionate for others, towards the society, towards the environment. So wealth should not dilute your inner peace. Wealth should not dilute your, the real reason of being here in this world. There is a purpose of wealth. So wealth is created to be distributed properly. That is the purpose of wealth. So that realization will and satisfaction will come only when there is a spiritual angle towards it. So I take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Janmashtami. My sincere love and joy for you guys. Thank you so much. Happy Janmashtami to you all.